$300. If this is your budget to build a gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you the best PC components that you should consider for your next PC build. Now, links to all the components will be in the description, so you can check the latest pricing from there. Let's get started. For the processor, I've chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5600G. This one costs around $128. Now, as you can tell by the reviews, this processor have nearly 10,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon. It comes with 6 cores and 12 threads and up to 4.4 GHz boost clock speed. So it's an excellent processor in this price. Then for the motherboard, we will be using a cheap but excellent motherboard. This one is a Asus Prime B450M. This one costs around $79. Now with that price, you are going to get 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 3 NVMe SSD support, all the ports that you need, and a small heatsink over the VRM section. And as this is a B450M series motherboard, you can overclock this processor. So an excellent motherboard in this price. Then for the RAM, we will be using silicon powered DDR4 16GB RAM. This one costs around only $40. With that price, you are going to get 2 RAM stick. Each of them are 8GB. So in total, it will be 16GB. And those RAMs comes with limited lifetime warranty. And these are the cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can get. So an excellent deal. Then for the SSD, we will be using Crucial P3 500GB. It costs around $34. Now with that price, you are going to get up to 3500 Mbps read rate speed, which is excellent for a SSD only under $35. Basically, this SSD will help your PC boot faster, your games load faster, and overall it will give you a super fast experience on your PC. And for the power supply, we will be using the Thermaltake Smart 430W power supply. This one costs around $29. And as you can tell by the reviews, this one has nearly 20,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon. And this is one of the cheapest power supply that you can buy. This power supply comes with 5-year plus warranty, so an excellent budget power supply. Finally, for the casing, I recommend you buy used ones, as new ones cost a lot nowadays, and all those components will cost you around $314. Thanks for watching.